Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about a hidden feature on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra or any other Galaxy Watch for that matter with Wear OS that allows you to control your Samsung TV or Samsung monitor with your Galaxy Watch. So if you have a Samsung TV or a Samsung smart monitor and you are signed in to that TV with the same Samsung account that you have running on your Galaxy Watch, you can do this. Go in apps and then go in SmartThings app, and here you will find automatically your Samsung monitor or Samsung TV. Here you can turn that TV on and off from here, but if you tap on it you actually get controls. Now here you can see the footage from my TV and you can see that my Galaxy Watch Ultra is now connected to the TV, and now I can change the volume from the watch. I can mute it, unmute it, I can change the channels. And if I swipe up, I have proper controls. I can go to home, I can scroll down, scroll up, I can launch any app, I can even go back, and I can turn this monitor off as well. So that's a fantastic hidden feature on your Galaxy Watch Ultra or any other Galaxy Watch for that matter. If you have SmartThings installed, go ahead and give this a try. And this is a feature that Samsung does not really advertise too much, but it's a fantastic feature. If you're invested in Samsung ecosystem, you have a Samsung monitor, you have a Samsung TV, you can really take advantage of this feature. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope this was useful for you. Subscribe for more videos and tips and tricks like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.